Hello friends, this is Udesh Gupta from Sathi Groups, the perfect home finder. Today we are going to see an apartment in a building named 19 North. And today I will give you the virtual tour of 19 North. As you can see in this video, there is a white building that is 19 North, and I will give you the brief description about the project and apartment, and also I will tell you the price range of the apartment, at what price you can buy this flat. And before going ahead, I want you to like and subscribe my channel, and let's check out 2 BHK 19 North. Okay, so this is 19 North. 19 North is a residential project in Kandivali West, Mumbai. 19 North offers apartment available configuration are 1 BHK and 2 BHK apartment. As per the area plan, apartments are in the size range of 321 and 433 square feet. The property is under construction. There is one building for sale. 19 North is located in Kandivali West, as I said earlier. The project is developed by the Dimple Group. Yes, they are the reputed builders, and the property is equipped with the fire protection and fire safety requirement. Enjoy a class apart lifestyle at 19 North. I definitely say this is a class apart lifestyle. Why I said this, you will get to know when you personally visit this flat. This project meets all mandates required by the state authority, as you can see the RERA ID on the screen, and also you can note it down from the description. Apart from this, look, when we talk about location, it is located on a prominent suburbs of Mumbai. The area of Kandivali West has prominent schools and hospitals within a close distance. When we talk about recreational facilities, it is providing water conservation, rainwater harvesting, 24/7 water supply, firefighting system, sewage treatment plant, internal roads, stormwater, drain, solid waste management, and many more. When we talk about amenities, it is providing rooftop garden, kids play area, video door phone, jogging track, and many more. Like sit out area, lawn terraces, ample space. Okay, so other than this, when we talk about connectivity, it has a Kandivali railway station in 7 minutes distance, upcoming metro station 2 minutes distance, Western Express Highway 10 minutes distance. Interesting, very nice. So other than this, when we talk about project, when you enter into your house, you see a living room full of furniture. Yes, you heard me right, full of furniture. Your 19 North is providing flat with furnitures. All the furniture work like sofa, TV, AC, and you can see a tea table and dining table that will be provided with the flat. Apart from all this, when you enter into your living room, you can see there is a full-sized window in your living room, and there is a picture on it that shows your view from your living room. And when you move right hand side, you see a kitchen. I can say a sweet kitchen because it is designed sweetly. You can see a modular work in it. Yes guys, it's a modular kitchen designed as per ideal preferences. Like there is a place for everything, like washing machine, gas, chimney, fridge, and a small window for a proper ventilation. You can see a quality of work over here. The product used in the construction of this project, and like fittings used in this project are of good quality, you can say. And when you enter into your living room, you see right hand side there is a kitchen, and left hand side there is other things like bathroom, master bed, common bedroom. Let's see common bedroom. When you enter into a common bedroom will be look like this. You can see the furniture work over here. Yes, furniture work will be provided by the builder, and it is designed as per the kids preferences. It's kids bedroom, you can say, and the ideal preferences of nowadays. One for parents, one for kids, one bedroom, and this is designed as per the kids preferences. So you can see the furniture work, and there is also a window, a small window for ventilation, like This is not a full-fledged window, and there is a picture on it that shows your view. And one of the important things in your flat, that is your bathroom is well designed, well placed, and spacious bathroom is there. There is a commode space and your wash basin with a Jaguar fittings on it. And when you enter into your master bed, that is lavish master bedroom, so you can see the quality of work over here. The furniture will be provided. Yes, I said it twice. So the furniture will be provided by the builder. If you don't want to take it, you can say no also. There is no restriction on that part. And you can see the bathroom over here also. It's a master bed, as you know that. And now, very important thing, as you have taken a tour of this project, now we are going to talk about pricing. At what pricing you can seal this deal? At what price you can buy this flat? At what price you can get all these things? Let me clear. This is 2 BHK video. I have one more video for 1 BHK. I will tell you the price now only. For 1 BHK it is 85, and for 2 BHK it is 1.15. So that is a quoted price, you can say. When you visit a builder, you will get a negotiated price. If you want to know the negotiated price, you can contact me through WhatsApp, through email, or through call. You can contact me. I will give you the negotiated price also. And if you have any question, if you want to ask anything, like if you have any negative comments also, you can contact me. I'll definitely try to help you with that, or I definitely personally research on that if you have any negative information about the project, and will help you with everything. I hope I have taken care of all your questions about the project and taken care of your tour. If you need any more information, contact me, and take care, guys. Be safe in this corona pandemic. Bye bye.